Hello guys, right now I'm at Victoria Memorial, and I know you Victoria Memorials, and so this is the famous tourism famous tourism place from Kolkata. And this is, you can see the videos in front of my camera, and people are taking some photos, and some is taking, and they are busy. It's so busy. You can see how it's very beautiful Victoria Memorials. And so yeah, you can see out of here beach. You can see how it's good. Very nice place, very beautiful place. This is very beautiful place. And how cold. Yeah, Victoria Falls, Victoria Memorial. And this is park. How greeny and how beautiful it's looking. And you can see the flag of national flag of India, and it's moving, it's blowing very nicely. Peoples are very busy. And so yeah, nice place. Yeah, yeah, you can see how it is good. Nice place, nice place. Very beautiful beach. Oh shit, nice. You can see the open sky above the beach. Open sky. Backside Victoria Memorial. Some of very busy people. Okay, take care.